Good morning, dear learners. How do you do today? I hope you are doing fine. Welcome again to our Grade 5 Mathematics class. For our topic, place value and value of a digit of a given decimal number. This is for Quarter 2, Module number 1. For our learning competency, gives the place value and the value of a digit of a given decimal number through 10 thousandths. Now let's begin with a pre-test. Now I'll give you time to answer each question. Are you ready? Encircle the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What is the place value of the digit 8 in 4 and 283 thousandths? Is it A tenths, B hundredths, C thousandths, or D 10 thousandths? Correct answer is letter B. Number 2. In 35 and 762 thousandths, which digit is in the tenths place? Is it A2, B5, C6, D7? Correct answer is letter D. Let's move on to number 3. The digit in the thousandths place of 5 and 813 thousandths is blank. A1, B3, C5, D8. And the correct answer is letter B, 3. Let's have number 4. What is the value of the digit 5 in 42 and 2,578 ten thousandths? A 5 tenths, B 5 hundredths, C 5 thousandths, or D 5 10 thousandths? Answer will be letter B. And for number 5, in 235 and 769 thousandths, the value of digit 9 is blank. A 9 thousandths, B 9 hundredths, C 9 tenths, or D 9? The correct answer is letter A, 9 thousandths. Now, did you get all the correct answers? Well and good. Now, let's have a short review of the past lesson that is related to our lesson for today. Give the place value of the underlined digit. Number 1, 23,456. What is the place value of digit 5? Yes, right. Tenths. For number 2, we have 78,215. Give the place value of digit 7. Its place value is, yes, you're correct, 10 thousandths. Let's have number 3, 623,459. What is the place value of digit 9? Its place value is, yes, exactly, ones. For number 4, the underlined digit is 4. Give its place value. So the place value is hundreds. And for number 5, the number is 254,027. Give the place value of digit 4. Digit 4 has a place value of thousands. Now, did you get all the correct answers again? Very good. Now, let's have our lesson for today. Now, let's start our lesson by this word problem. Sheila keeps herself healthy by running early in the morning. She records her time every time she runs using a stopwatch. Today, she consumes 10 and 1,200 minutes on running. What do you notice with the recorded time of Sheila? Yes, you're correct. That is an example of a decimal number. Now, what is a decimal number? A decimal number is another way of expressing a fraction whose denominator is a power of 10. Now, let's have this figure. This figure is divided into 10 equal parts. So, each part is 1/10. So, this part is 1/10. Another part is 1/10. So, each is 1/10. The shaded region is 4/10. Now, 1/10 in decimal is 1/10, and 4/10 may be written as 4/10. Now, let's take a look at this another figure. This figure is divided into 100 equal parts. So, each part is 100. Again, this is 100. This part is 100. Each part is 100. The shaded part is 45 hundredths. Now, 100 is equal to 100th in decimal, and 45 hundredths may be written as 45 hundredths in decimal. Now, let us study this decimal place value chart. Now, look closely at the decimal place value chart. Now, what are the different place values of decimals? Yes, you're correct. These are tenths, hundredths, thousands, and 10,000s. Now, what do you notice with the place values of decimals? Yes, exactly. Now, as you can see, all the place values of decimals end in THS. It means that all the place values are less than one whole. Now, this time, what separates now the whole number part from the decimal part? Yes, you're right. It is the decimal point. So the decimal point separates the whole number part from the decimal part. This time, let's have this decimal number. So we have 38 and 6,279 10,000s. Let's now identify the place value of each decimal number. Let's start with digit 6. What do you think is the place value of digit 6? Yes, you're right. The place value of digit 6 is tenths. How about digit 2? Again, you're correct. That is hundredths. The place value of digit 7 is thousands, while the place value of digit 9, can you guess? Again, you're right. That is 10,000s. Now, notice that the tenths place is 10 times greater than the hundredths place. The hundredths place is 10 times greater than the thousands place. How many times greater is thousands place than 10,000s place? Exactly, that is 10 times greater. It means that the thousands place is 10 times greater than the 10,000s place. The value of each digit in decimal depends on its value position. Now, we have again 38 and 6,279 10,000s. We already studied the different place values of decimals. So, after the decimal point, to the right of the decimal point, the first digit is in the tenths place. The second digit is the hundredths place. The third digit to the right of decimal point has a place value of thousands, and the fourth digit has a place value of 10,000s. Now, let's now identify the value of each digit. Now, for digit 6, its value is 6/10. Now, this is read as 6/10 because the place value of digit 6 is tenths. Let's go to digit 2. The value of digit 2 is 200ths. For digit 7, its value is 7 thousandths. And digit 9, it has a value of 9 ten-thousandths. Now, in decimal number 3,685 ten-thousandths, now what do you think is the place value and value of digit 8? So, the place value of digit 8 is? Yes, correct. That is thousandths. How about its value? You're right. Its value is 8 thousandths. Now, how about this decimal number? So we have 24 and 6,543 ten-thousandths. So the underlined digit is digit 5. So let's now identify again the place value and value of digit 5. So for its place value, that is equal to hundredths. While its value, it has a corresponding value of 500ths. Now, I hope you learned from our lesson for today. Now, be ready for some practice exercises. For activity 1, give the place value of digit 5 in each of the following numbers. Now you can write your answers on your notebook. You can post this video if you still need more time answering this activity. Now let's move on to activity 2. Write the value of the underlined digit inside the box. Again, you can post this video if you still need more time answering this activity. Now, answers to the activities class can be seen at the end of this video for you to check your answers later. For activity 3, look closely at the digits of each number. Match the correct value of one of the digits of each number to reveal the hidden word. Write a letter on the blank before each number. Now, if you think you still need more time answering this activity, post this video. Now, let us see if you already learned from our lesson for today. Supply the correct word or words to complete the statement. Now you can write your answers on your notebook. Again, to have extra time answering this activity, post this video. Now I hope you already have your answers with you. Let's now complete the statements. A decimal is another way of expressing a fraction whose denominator is a power of 10. Place values of decimals are tenths, hundredths, thousandths, ten-thousandths, and so on. And the value of each digit in a decimal depends on its value position. Now, in our problem earlier, Sheila keeps herself healthy. Do you also do the same thing? How do you keep yourself healthy aside from having exercise every day? Now you can write your answer on your notebook. Again, while doing this activity, you can post this video if you still need more time so that you can answer this activity well. Now be ready for a post test. Read each item carefully. Write the letter of the correct answer. If you think you still need more time answering this post test, post this video. Now, answers to these post tests including the activities are or can be seen at the end of this video for you to check your answers later. That's all for today's lesson. Take care and God bless.